There's a secret business, a hidden opportunity tucked away behind every Amazon box you've ever opened. Thousands of everyday people are quietly making money, building their own brands without ever owning a physical store, hiring employees, or even touching the products they sell. How? It's called Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a powerful system that lets you build a business that runs on its own, even while you sleep. You don't need a huge investment or years of experience. What you do need is the right blueprint, a step-by-step guide to understand how it truly works. That's exactly why I created a completely free 3-part course. It's designed to show you exactly how to start, launch, and scale your Amazon FBA business from zero to true freedom. Ready to uncover this hidden opportunity? Search for Brain Brian TV on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and watch the free course. Remember, every single day is a new chance to begin your journey. Don't wait.